In this video, I'll show you how to change an item name in Monday.com. Start by opening the board that contains the item you want to rename. In Monday.com, items are the individual rows or tasks inside your board. Once the board loads, locate the item you want to edit. The item name is usually displayed in the first column on the left side of the board. Click directly on the current item name. Depending on your setup, you may need to double-click or hover over the text first before it becomes editable. Once the text field is active, type the new item name you want to use. Try to use clear and descriptive names so team members can quickly understand the purpose of the task. For example, instead of naming it Create a Thumbnail, try to name it Create a Video Thumbnail for Boards. After typing the new name, press Enter on your keyboard or click outside the cell to save the change. The updated item name will immediately appear across the board and connected views. If the item is connected to dashboards, automations, or notifications, the updated name may also appear there automatically. And that's how to change an item name in Monday.com.